Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the never forgotten soldier memory picture. I'm painting on the Samsung Galaxy Tab. I've put a sticker over the camera so that it can be used after with no problems. And I'm using black and white as opaque colors, and the rest are transparent colors. So I put down the cover stencil and I'm laying down the white. So everything that's full white, there's later a real bright color, and on the edges of the picture it fades out, so the colors will get, they will be a little bit darker. So I'm starting now with the sunset using the transparent yellow, following up with the full red. Then I use the magenta, and I always try to blend into the color before. And the final stage is the blue. And as you can see, there's a nice palette of colors where they mix. And I'm putting down the rich stencil, so it's just torn piece of paper. And now I'm using with really a low air pressure. I'm doing these small dots, and I'm adding quick background shapes like this moon and some stars. Now I'm using just the outside shape of a cloud. Now this is a 3-part stencil, 4 parts if you count the cover stencil. So I have a gray, I have the cover stencil, and I have a full white. So I'm using now the gray. If you want to add some colors to this stencil, you can also do this in this part, but because the background is so colorful, I just painted this black and white. So this is the first gray, and now comes the highlight white. Again, you can just paint it like painted the full stencil in one color, or you can like look for highlights and do them with 100% white, and the rest you do like 70% white, so it doesn't look too stencily. So now I'm adding some stars. So one part of the stars I'm using in the picture for like the dog tag, and some shiny parts like the magazine. And on the outside I'm just doing some normal stars, and I'll highlight the middle. And I'm also using some black for the moon, so I'm just spraying the backside. And then you can use like the black to do some shading in the picture if you want. And that would be the picture. If you enjoyed it, you can give a thumbs up, and see you.